ceramic coating package inbound. There we have the car fully cleaned, nearly dried. I've dried the body of the car. I've not done the door shuts on the wheels yet, only because the trees that you can't see because the sunroof's not open, but the trees, because it's been so dry in the UK for the last however long, maybe 6 weeks, the sap is just dripping like it's raining. So it's a bit of a nightmare for me, this. So I'm going to pull it straight in and dry it. But before I actually do fully dry it, what I like to do with cars that are in for coating or they're in for a few days is I like to just go up and down the drive and make sure I use the brakes. Now I do this because the steel brakes, they obviously get a layer of rust on them Now, if I was to then leave the car sat for however long, when my client takes the car away, they're going to get down the road and the wheels are just going to be full of brake dust. Whereas if I do it now when it's fresh, I can remove it off of the disc by doing this, and then any excess that is on there will just blow straight off because it'll be so loose. So a few times up and down, just using the brakes. We'll do it one more time. No harm in doing it a little more than what's maybe needed. Just gently on the brakes, put it back in reverse. Now let's get it back in the garage and let's get it fully dried up properly. Well, there we go, that is most of the work now complete for preparation before polishing. I just need to take the plates off and then do final taping up. But wheels are covered and all the tape is done and we are ready to start polishing. Now, if we grab this light, not terrible, got some marks where the clay bar was, but other than that, I don't think the car's too bad. Very light swirls, even these, not too bad at all, so this might be a bit of a breeze of a job. The car's done 4,000 miles, so it's done not many at all. My client has picked this up very recently, so it's in for the package. He's had his other cars ceramic coated with me, and now it's time to do this one and complete the fleet. We've got some water stains on here as well, so other than that, overall the car isn't in bad condition. I'm excited to get this one done. It is currently Monday night. It's about 8 o'clock. I am done for the day. I've got this all week whilst they're on holiday, so let's see what this week brings with this car. I'll be on it between jobs, so it is just a case of having it for the full week, not on it too much every day. It's just bits here and there. So the next clip that you see will be the next day, and we'll be stuck into some polishing. Well, there we have it. The Macan is complete, and I mean, look at it. It looks absolutely incredible. So at the minute, just grabbing some photos of it, ready to post on social media tonight. But I mean, bloody hell, it's actually the first time I'm walking around at this. Look at it in the sun. The sun doesn't lie. The sun does not lie. Yeah, that is, I think my client is going to be very impressed with that. Wheels are looking good. Obviously the paintwork is the main thing. I mean, the metallic flake on it is just immense. Of course, inside, we're all looking good in there. Carpet's all done, leather's all nice and clean. That could probably just come back a bit more so that it's neat and tidy. Wheels all good. Same with the back as well. Back's all looking nice. There are unfortunately some scuff marks on there, but gosh, she's looking good. I'll get that spoiler up as well for some photos, make that look a bit nicer. I think it is fair to say that that is one hell of a good looking Macan now. It came looking very sorry for itself. If you remember, it was covered in sap and dust and all sorts, and I mean now it really does look incredible. So that's quite a nice angle there to grab some photos. So I think that is going to really conclude the video. I think there's not much more to really show you now, apart from the handover, which will happen in the next hour or so. As always, guys, thank you ever so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Anything you want to see in the future, as always, leave it in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.